අපි කඳු නොවෙමු උනුම් පරයා නැගෙන සුනිල දිය දහරවෙමු එකම ගඟකට වැටෙමු සබඳ අපි කඳු නොවෙමු උනුම් පරයා නැගෙන සුනිල දිය දහරවෙමු එකම ගඟකට වැටෙමු කලයට වසින සබඳ අපි කඳු නොවෙමු උනුම් පරයා නැගෙන සුනිල දිය දහරවෙමු එකම ගඟකට වැටෙමු නපුරු හිලනොෙමු ලමුන් නිදිසුව බිඳින සොඳුරු අඳහැරයෙමු ගණන් නින්දෙන් මුදන සබඳ අපි කඳු නොවෙමු උනුම් පරයා නැගෙන සුනිල දිය දහරවෙමු එකම ගඟකට වැටෙමු සබඳ අපි කඳු නොවෙමු උනුම් පරයා නැගෙන සුනිල දිය දහරවෙමු එකම ගඟකට වැටෙමු
Ladies and gentlemen, so now being a team, research team, we have selected some significant area to study. So that is a very untouched field, that the community issues. That is none other than the issues and crisis of the sanitary labours, the male and female. So in Sri Lankan context, as you all know, that the South Indian region, that is regional behavior to discriminate and giving insulting and giving not giving any due respect to that society, that is sanitary labours. So I am proudly I want to value and I want to emphasize my appreciation to select this field as a research team and for the future development and to help and to support this team to build up their individual family life and their living condition, and not only that, but also the how to take them to contribute to develop the community, the society, and also it will help to develop our economic aspect. So the HR, as a HR expertise and HR related workers, we should understand what are the issues that society, the people face to the sanitary labours. So with that, I want to give my regards to all participants, all experts, members, those who prepare to launch their research works in future. So then they have conducted already that interview and all to successful conducting of this research. So ladies and gentlemen, with that I want to start this discussion with that preamble, and first I focus my first question to Mrs. Taman.
Sanitary laborers are one of marginal communities in Sri Lanka. They are being employed with minimum wages, facilities, and laborer rights. They provide an essential public service, but often at the cost of their dignity, safety, health, and living conditions. They are far too often invisible, unquantified, and ostracized, and many of the challenges they face stem from this fundamental lack of acknowledgement. Sanitation workers are exposed to serious occupational and environmental health hazards, risking illness, injury, and death. In the good old days, cleaning jobs were considered as untouchables, and their presence at one's doorstep was considered a bad omen. With changes in society from feudalism to capitalism, have we seen any positive development in the lives of those waste collectors and sanitary workers? The common perception of society is that these sanitary workers should be poor, drug addicted, unhealthy, and unclean. Should this be their destiny? No. They should be given due recognition for the key role played to keep the environment clean and healthy at a time waste management has become one of the most challenging tasks across the globe. The main objective of the study team C is to identify the gap between the social recognition and the expectation of sanitary workers from the society and find out the solutions to develop their service and effectively employ them through building up the dignity, job satisfaction with better life status in Sri Lanka as a new HR innovative concept. The application of domains: religious domain and industrial prioritized domain. What is the application of religious domain for solution? How to apply Singalovada Sutra? The research team conducted a study how this financial management is related with the teaching in the Buddhism in the concept of Singalovada Sutra and found the root causes for their existing poor life. According to the facts included in the Singalovada Sutra, there are 6 main factors lead to make an obstacle for being wealth. They are addicted for drugs, alcohol, loitering time, wasting for useless moments, useless gathering, gambling, inappropriate social contact or bad company, lethargic habit or pessimistic behavior. What is the application of industrial domain for solution? How to apply OSH policy? Application of occupational safety and health as a concept of industrial practices domain. An OSH policy can help employers meet this responsibility and communicate their commitment to safety and health. Strengthening OSH standards under industrial practices domain will help to reduce exposure to hazardous waste, infectious diseases, and unsafe working conditions. Reform policy, legislation, and regulation. To acknowledge and professionalize the sanitation workforce along the sanitation service chain. Factory ordinance. Reform policy. Develop and adopt operational working guidelines to access and mitigate the occupational risks of all types of sanitation work, including national and local level standard operating procedures. municipal level oversight and enforcement of laws regarding sanitation service providers, both public and private, and training, technology, and personal protective equipment for all aspects of sanitation work. Advocate for sanitation workers and promote their empowerment. To protect worker rights and amplify worker voices through unions and associations. Create platforms where sanitation workers can voice their concerns, share their experiences, and be part of decision-making processes that affect their work and life conditions. Build the evidence database to address the issues of quantification of the sanitation workforce and documentation of challenges workers face.
Finally, actually, this research, this study is not only important for our study, our purpose, but this it is going to be very significant eye-opener to society, community. So this is that actually we have not touched this aspect because this is one of our community people. So we need as a human being and the society, we need to recognize and we need to give due recognition irrespective of their profession and all. This is as given all we have taught and we have learned was in during our school time and all, and it is very clearly stated that that which we have referred our this philosophy. So as a HR experts and HR practitioners, we need to emphasize and we need to develop these people and get out of them and give the recognition and with the responsibility, especially if they empower, if they give responsibility, we can achieve more and more, and it may be benefited for the not only the society development but the whole economic aspect of the country. So this is going to be very significant to develop country and there's a grand strategy. So with that, I wish to conduct your future research work with the interview which you have already taken from that laborers and this individual. So I wish to have a very successful work in future to get the good output and very to achieve very good production to the society, community, and the country. Thank you very much for your participation and for your spare your valuable time to this work. Thank you very much.